Hi Manoj, good afternoon. Himanshi here.
Hi, Manshi. Himanshi, are you you are based out of which location?
So Manoj, I'm based out of Gurgaon location and level 1 certified as well in ANAPLAN.
Okay,
Pursuing level 2, but don't have much grasp on the concepts actually. It was just like, through workspace, there are certain recordings there to follow certain steps, but
okay.
not,
So you're looking for level 2 training and certification.
yeah, I'm looking, but like
Mhm.
doing the trainings didn't help me much. So if you ask
Okay.
me any concepts deep
Uh,
down, like, I'll
uh-huh.
not be able to, like answer much in detail or with confidence. So that's the issue.
Okay, okay. Makes sense. And can I know where you're currently working?
I'm currently working with PwC.
PwC. Okay, good.
So Manoj, this training will be for level 1 and level 2 demo both, or will it be level 1?
Uh, so we will see the participant request. It can be for both.
Mm-hmm.
Level one is, as you know, it's just from scratch. Like for a layman who doesn't know the
Yeah.
Anaplan concepts, he will be
Mm-hmm.
introduced to model building
Mm-hmm.
and stuff. And in level two, you'll be going through the demand planning, inventory planning use case,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and then build two models, a data
Got
hub
it.
model and an inventory planning model, and we will integrate both of them.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Uh, Do you have workspace, Himanshi?
Yeah, I have work experience, but didn't build any Anaplan models as per se.
Okay. Are
But
you
on the
staffed on any Anaplan project currently?
no, I didn't worked on any Anaplan project hands-on, but on the workspace, I have, like created a few things like the UX pages, all of that, just for the practice purpose,
Okay, okay,
as per the instructions, but not a hands-on on Anaplan.
okay, okay. And
Like
do you
aware of
have,
the UX.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, you're aware of the UX creation using the available fields and all of that, right?
Yeah, as per the instructions, if anyone can tell me, like this you have to do as per, these are the steps, then I can follow
Okay.
like that way.
And do you have workspace access?
Yeah, I have workspace.
Uh, like, is that your client one or that is something that
No,
you signed up,
I signed up, so that is one that is company provided actually.
or company provided? Okay. Actually, now Anaplan stopped giving that beta access.
Okay.
Earlier, they used to give for free.
Hmm. I
It was
have workspace access, like I did completed my level 1 also on that. Level 2, since the last few days, I haven't accessed my Anaplan workspace. Um, so not sure on that, but I think there's not issue on the access side. I don't have any issue.
okay.
Hello, Manoj. Am I audible?
Yes, Shraddha.
Yeah, I think you can start. He will join in between because he's a little bit busy. So he's not even responding the call. So if he will join in between. Okay, you can just start the session. Also,
Okay.
like Himanshi, if you have any another doubt, you can just directly discuss with him. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Sure. Actually, I joined on my phone, Himanshi. If I have to screen share and show you the contents, what will be covered as part of level two? Um, Maybe
Like
I
we
can
can
show.
cover both level 1 and level 2 from an understanding point of view.
Okay. So basically, level one, right? We will be going through the Anaplan overview. Why
Okay.
Anaplan is used in the market, what is the focus and methodology, how Agile
Mm-hmm.
works in Anaplan, how we go about designing an Anaplan model, understanding the concepts like workspace,
Mm-hmm.
model, module, dimensions, lists, and time and
Yeah.
the basic building blocks of a model creation, right? So we will understand those concepts, and then we will go about building modules, which are like multi-dimensional data sets. which will hold multidimensional data sets, and once we import data, how we write formulas, how we reference data from one module to another module, and how we import data into a model. All of that will be covered in level 2. Finally, once we have everything in place, we will do a deep dive understanding the formula section, going through the blueprint view of a module, how to functions, and how to calculate data, and things like that. And
Got it.
finally, once we have some calculated data, we will use that to show it on the dashboard or the UX page which we are talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. And then also understand a high level about the model access, how we create user roles, how we assign that role, custom roles to a user.
Mm-hmm.
um, so from access perspective, from security perspective, we cover those things and finish level 1 training.
Got it.
Okay, so this one will be like a simple 15-hour training with going through the theory and also the practical sessions on each of the topic. For
Got it.
example, like creating modules, creating lists, dimensions, importing data, writing formulae.
Mm-hmm.
All that through exercises in your workspace we can do.
Got it. So Manoj, like talking about all of these things,
Uh,
so can we, design it specifically for interview perspective, like what all questions and how they ask from that point of view?
yeah, sure. I will be helping you with some interview questions also in the
Okay.
market, how people generally ask. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and these days it's like level 1, level 2 certified is bare minimum,
Yeah,
right, to crack any
absolutely.
interview.
Mm-hmm.
So we will discuss those things also during the course, Himanshi.
Okay, got it.
Okay. And
Yep.
with level 2, whatever we studied or discussed in level 1, it will be over and above that. So in level 1, we will build one model, but in level 2, we will create two models. One is the data hub model. Basically, data hub would act as a staging model, where you collect all the source system data, and then you transform the data and send it only the required data to the downstream or the actual business models. So we will understand how we consolidate the data, transform the data, and send only the required data to the spoke models. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
in level 2, sprint 1 will be mainly about data hub. Okay, and
Got
then
it.
in sprint 2 and sprint 3, we will be doing the supply chain planning, where in sprint 2 we will cover the demand planning process for one company, confectionery company like a unicorn candy company, how it manages the demand and supply of its products at different warehouses and stores. So demand planning we will understand in sprint 2. And finally,
Okay.
the calculated demand will be used to manage our inventory, how much stock we need to hold. If there is an excess demand or if there is low demand, we should ensure that we are not posting too many things in our inventory, which will end up which will cost more to the company as well. So managing the inventory, and then all of this three sprints will be covered with UX creations as well. um, um, how to understand how to create different pages, data visualizations and navigations through UX. And then we will also cover some portions of data tags, Anaplan optimizer, and then ALM. ALM
ALM.
function. Yeah.
Okay.
How
So,
to manage a model on a long run, and things like that will be covered in level 2, Himanshi.
okay. So, Manoj, one question on this. So, as you said, ALM, that is like related to, uh, liquidity risk, right? Something related to liquidity management. Like, what's ALM?
That will be managing the Anaplan model. Application lifecycle management is what
Okay.
it's
Got
called.
it. Got it. All right. All
See, a model is built. How do you work on top of an existing model? Say a
Mm-hmm.
company implements Anaplan, right? It is
Yeah.
gone live now. Okay, and
Okay.
there will be half year changes or yearly changes. Say we will
Yeah.
consider from a supply planning, from a sales
Mm-hmm.
planning. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there will be compensation plan changes or there will be salary changes. we will have to incorporate those changes into the existing model. So how do you build over an existing model and then manage only the changed components? How do you deploy those changed components through ALM? So those things we will discuss.
Got it. Yep, makes sense.
Yeah. So this is pretty much in with respect to level 2. It will be 25 hours course, um, where we will cover all the 3 sprints followed by a conclusion one to finish the level 2 course. So both put together, it will be 40 hours training, Imanshi.
40 for both level 1 and level 2, right?
Level 1 and level 2, yes. This
20
involves
hours for, yeah,
uh,
20 hours for level 1 and then 20 hours for level 2.
I will say 15 and 25.
Okay, got it.
15
Yep.
for level 1. Yeah.
All right.
So that way. And to give you my background, I am based out of Bangalore. I
Mm-hmm.
have overall of 10 plus years of IT experience.
Mm-hmm.
Worked on ANAPLAN, Varicent, and SAP commissions, which is Calidus.
Mm-hmm.
All of this are used for. I come from the sales planning side, from the incentive compensation management side. All my
Mm-hmm.
experience is in incentive management, sales planning, quota planning, and
Mm-hmm.
all of that. So I've
Got it.
used ANAPLAN and Calidus for integration for implementing some of the uh, clients, where we have used ANAPLAN for territory and quota management and Calidus for doing the commission
Mm-hmm.
calculations and incentive calculations. So that way.
That's great. Awesome.
Yeah.
Good to hear that.
And yeah, also I've delivered 3 corporate trainings, one for EY, that is the global portion, then the AXA life insurance, and then there was one startup company called Pratian Technologies. So for all 3 companies, I've delivered corporate training.
That's great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So that's the overall intro or demo, I will say. Um,
Yeah, definitely was helpful. So
mhm.
Manoj, will you be, able to share your screen or so, and then, we can go on certain components that we have in level 1 or level 2?
Sure. Actually, I've joined on phone. If you can give me your email ID, I can send the course content.
Okay.
Okay, while we are talking now. I don't know,
Mm-hmm.
like on my laptop, Zoom is not working for some reason. That's the
No
reason
worries.
I joined. Yeah.
So yeah, my email ID is Himanshi Madan, HIMANSHI,
Minute.
MADAN 22 @gmail.com.
It is HIMANSHI.
AN MADAN,
No space or anything, right? Okay.
no space, no space.
Okay.
MADAN 22
Uh,
@gmail.com.
okay. And since when you're working with PwC?
So it's been more than 2 years. So I'm working
Oh,
on the functional consulting piece for finance transformation. But
oh,
then
nice.
there has been a recent requirement of, ANAPLAN uh, implementation or Blackline implementation that you should have an experience in or Workday. So
Okay.
since I know about the, whereabouts of the functional, how FP&A works, so was thinking,
Uh-huh.
to get myself equipped with how the ANAPLAN implementation works so to get an edge in the industry in order to,
Okay.
portray myself as an ANAPLAN implementation along with the functional knowledge of FP&A. So I think that will make a great
Oh,
combination for, my professional growth. So that's why I was looking for, getting trained in ANAPLAN.
that's good. So in level 1, we are covering FP&A only.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
I just sent you a couple of documents. You can check.
Yep.
Just give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, Himanshu, I'm back.
Yep. Hey, Manoj, I received your email
Uh,
with the course content on ANAPLAN.
yeah,
Yeah, L1 and L2. Thank you for that.
no problem.
Hello.
Yeah, Shraddha.
Yeah, is this session is ongoing?
Yeah, so I gave a brief overview to Imanshi about the level 1 training, level 2 training course content.
Okay.
Also, I have shared the document to her to go through what all topics will be covered.
Okay. Okay.
Um,
Yeah.
so
Okay.